Hi, Data Nation. Happy New Year. So excited for another new year. So blessed to be here. Okay, so guess what, you guys? We have something else for you this year. We want to do some things related specifically to your business needs. So we intend to vlog. We intend to give you real live tutorials, real live, doing. We're doing this year. This year is a year of doing. So I want to first talk to you a little bit about this new series. Our slogan is "Do it better with data." That's the slogan. Do it better with data. So we actually wanted to do a series that really promoted the doing. So the series will be Let's Do Data. Okay. So this series is going to be about literally taking the nuggets or the important things that all small business owners must know to maximize their return on investments, to maximize and digitize this year. So we intend to ask you questions. We want to get feedback from you. We want to know what you feel, what you want, what you need. And we'll even give you a shout out. We'll shout you out. We'll talk about your business. We'll give you some shine. We just want to really make sure that we're facilitating the needs that you have. There's always been questions about CRM. Which ones should I use? Which ones shouldn't I use? Or how do I digitize my business? How do I make it automated? How do I get it to the point where I am data driven? We're going to not only talk about it, but we're tackling it at the very moment. We're going to tackle these things. We're going to do the action to do this and to get it done. So this new series we're really excited about. If you have any comments or suggestions or things that you'd want to see from us, let us know. We are very excited. This new year is all about doing and movement, right? So excited about the movement. So, we all know that it's important to do some moving or to move. Being stagnant is what causes disease. It causes filth. It causes a lot of things. And we don't want to be stagnant in our lives in any way. So this year, we're all about the doing. We're all about the movement. So when you think about some things that you really want to change in your business, that you've been literally letting just slide by, the things you have not really been focusing on that you should be focusing on, this is the time to say, hey, what do I really need to do to further my business in 2020? And we are here for you. If there's any questions that you want addressed or things you want to talk about or things you want to do, let us know. We'll address them. We'll shout you out. We'll let everybody know what your business is and how we can effectively tackle this together. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm jumping off real quick, but you know what it is. We'll be back. All right. See you soon. Bye.